Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, dear learners. Today I am going to conduct a Bangladesh Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 4, fill in the blanks and competency based. So look, CBBQ, competency based word questions 1 and 2. Chapter 4, fill in the blanks, 1 to 10 fill in the blanks and competency based word question 1 and 2. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 6 and homework number 4 on our half yearly syllabus. Dear students, I request all of you to look at the board. At first, we shall learn from from fill in the blanks. Please look at board. So look, it is chapter 4. I have written here also class 4, subject BGS chapter 4. We all know the name of chapter 4 is the rights of citizen. We have already read this, and from this chapter we have totally 10 fill in the blanks 1 to 10. Now look here, look at number 1 at first. As a dash of Bangladesh, we enjoy mainly 3 kinds of rights from the state. 3 kinds of rights, for example, the political rights, the social rights and the economical rights. These are the 3 rights. So look here, as a citizen of Bangladesh, so in the blank we will write citizen, CITIZEN. So look, I have written as a citizen, CITIZEN, citizen of Bangladesh, we enjoy mainly 3 kinds of rights from the state. Number 2, every citizen, look at the word citizen, CITIZEN, every citizen has the right to dash freely within the country. So answer will be to move freely, MOVE. Every citizen has the right to move freely within the country. Number 3, every citizen should be educated for the dash of the state. I am telling again, every citizen should be educated for the development or betterment of the state. In the blank we will write development or betterment, DEVELOPMENT, development. So look at board properly, it is written development, DEVELOPMENT, development of the state. Number 4, it is fundamental or basic right of a citizen to dash in mother tongue. It is fundamental right of a citizen to speak in mother tongue. To speak, look at both. I am telling again the spelling, SPEAK, speak. To speak, SPEAK, speak in mother tongue. Now we will go to next page. So here we will have the last 5 fill in the blanks, 6 here. So fifth number at first, they can or people can dash in elections at the age of 25. From the book we have understood here, it will be they can participate in election at the age of 25. In the blank we will write participate, PARTICIPA. So look here, participate or take part. Participate, they can, PARTICIPAT, they can participate or take part in elections at the age of 25. Now 6th number, every citizen has the right to dash his or her opinion in the family, school and society. Here it will be every citizen has the right to express his or her opinion, express. EXPRESS, express. EXPRESS, express his or her opinion in the family, school and society. 7th number, every dash has the right to do what they want. Here it will be every citizen has the right. Look at the word citizen again, CTZEN. Every citizen has the right to do what they want. Now number 8, the right to earn a dash living is called an economic right. The right to earn a decent living or better living. Decent. It is D-E-C-E-N-T. Decent. I am telling again, it is decent. D-E-C-E-N-T. Decent or better living is called an economic right. Now, number 9. Every citizen has the right to earn fair payment for their labor. For their labor. L-A-B-O-U-R. For their labor. Every citizen has the right to earn fair payment for their labor. L-A-B-O-U-R. Labor. Last fill in the blanks. Number 10. Everyone has the right to acquire and enjoy own property. Here answer will be property. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. Last word is property. Everyone has the right to acquire and enjoy own property. Now, with this number 10 fill in the blanks, we have finished our fill in the blanks segment. Now, we will go to competency based broad questions from chapter 4. So, look, there are two broad questions, competency based broad questions. At first, number 1, one should be economically independent to lead a better life. How do economic rights allow us to be a better person? Answer. Economic security is one of the best securities that man can ever have. The right to earn a decent living is known as the economic rights. That means here we have got the definition of economic rights. Now the details. It also ensures a living wage, the rights to work, to earn a fair wage or payment, to have time of vacation and holiday, etc. are economic rights. When a person can sustain himself or his family, he feels secure and does not go against the society or the law. This is how economic rights help us to be a better person. Okay, number 1 is done, and this one will be your homework. So look, it is written, this is your 4th number homework, and chapter 4 BQ number or competency based broad question number 1, and this one is your homework. I am writing here again, is your homework. So look, that means number 1 will be your homework. Number 1, okay, only this one, competency based broad questions number 1 will be your homework, and this is your 4th number homework. Now question number 2. To lead a happy and comfortable life, we enjoy various kinds of rights provided by the state. Write about the rights of the citizens. Answer. All government protect their citizens in certain ways or in different ways. There are 3 basic rights that we can enjoy as citizens. These are social rights, political rights, and economic rights. I have already told you. Social rights ensure us a healthy and better life. Political rights allow us to take part in the country's government. The right to earn a decent living is economic rights. These are the basic rights that our government tries to fulfill and thus protect us. Okay, that means we have finished competency based broad questions number 2. Now dear learners, look at both. I am telling you again. So look, important segment. Okay, look, it is written homework. This is our 4th number homework. I am telling you again. And chapter 4, don't forget to write homework number 4, chapter 4, and competency based broad questions 1. That means this one will be your homework. Dear learners, I hope that all of my students of class 4 have understood chapter 4, fill in the blanks, 1 to 10 fill in the blanks, and competency based broad questions 1 and 2. Dear learners, please keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. Finally, see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.